Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to today's episode. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime new video is uploaded. I used to go by the name Jay Bosco Jr. on Boss One Media. Today we are going to learn how to create SoundCloud account as an artist and upload music. It's very simple, just follow the step by step. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and leave a comment. So as your Google Chrome browser have it open like this, you search on search tab here, SoundCloud.com. Then hit on the enter button for it to open. Have patience for it to open like this. If you already have an account, you just hit on the sign in here. Wait for a minute for it to open. Continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple, stuff like that. But today we are going to create a new account. So for creators to you will hit on this one and it will open a new tab for you. Then you select what you want to do. Getting started, sum up your profile, everything you need to know about getting your profile ready to make a great first impression. Then but this is not why we're here. We are here to create a new account and upload the music. So let's hit on the create account. We're still gonna continue with Google. Okay, let me use this one to create the account. Yes. Tell us your age, 18 years of age, gender. Good morning, is that May? Then continue. Choose your display name. Okay, let me use Boss One Media, like Boss One Media Production. Yeah. So media production. Get started. Okay, now time for you to edit your profile. So you come here, you don't have anything here because you just created the account. Yeah, you don't have anything here. So first upload your image. That's the profile picture. This beautiful logo was created by Quiskin Charlie. Very beautiful. Save like this. So now you have your profile picture published. It's gonna be like this. Okay, let's use that. I'll change it later. This image is yes. So this is how we fixed it. Share, edit. If you click on edit, you're gonna open YouTube where you are going to edit everything. First name, Boss One Media. Country, city, Accra. It's Legon. It's Legon. Ghana. Country, beloved country, Ghana. And okay, Boss One Media is production company in Ghana, West Africa. A video. So you scroll down, you hit on save. Everything is saved now. Boss One Media is a production company production company in Ghana, West Africa, a video creator and marketing. Upload now. You wanna upload song? Reports. No reports. You haven't reported any song. Okay, so now you come here. Distribute. If you already have song and you want to distribute, it will open a different tab for you. Yeah. So now upload now. Okay, let's upload. Upload now. The song I'm gonna upload right now wasn't Lance's and that was one media, so I can't upload it. So let me do it private here. Yeah, let me do it private after. Okay, so let's upload Love in Bank. Image for Love in Bank. Okay, so here it's AP, so I just use the AP this thing. So here it's Afro pop, something like that. Afro, but in case you can't find the Afro, you can choose. I can choose hip hop rap and this thing. And the link, yeah, the link. Only this one that you can change. Only this one that you can change. So about the song, okay. Love in Bank is a first single. Single from Young Janice. Under the Sun EP, just something like that. Then when I look into your eyes, I can see the future is bright. Come closer, hold my hands, hold me down. This one is private, so safe. Yeah, this one is private. Ready? Check safe to post this track. Yeah, Afro pop. You understand? Master track. Mastering on SOUNDCLOUD, powered by Non Necessary. So this is the song. You can share it. Yeah.
Just want her to start my band. Yo, check the fuck up. Yo, can we see no? Yo, Janice, what's up? Oh, Charlie, I see some fun shot you did today. What do you see on this body? I can't control it. Parents, I don't know what's enough for talk, but she be fine, yo. Chocolate body shape like chocolate. Fine color sweet like chocolate. Chocolate, yeah.
You might like she dey manage it.
Oh, Sabat, she be fine, yo. She dey bring rough. So me who know I can't even talk. When you hard, yeah, boys best let me rough. Me to me friend, so I don't know what's enough for talk. Slim check with a tuna. Say me na gonna straight to Burkina. I want pull hair in my bima.
And you can make a public here by clicking on edit. Then appear like this. This one is in private. So you come here, then you public it. That anyone will be able to listen to this track. But this one wasn't Lance's under Bosco Media, so I can just upload it. You understand? So that's all for today. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.